Sir Dennis, this is for you, Sir Dennis. This is the pork. Alright? This is for you. So just take a good look at it, okay? And just get a plate and pull up to the stove and just take out whatever you need, alright? Okay, my friend? Just pull up to the stove and just take out what you need. This is, yes, this is my pepper pork. Yes, my pepper pork. Okay, Sir Dennis? So I hope you enjoyed, my friend. Alright, there's hot pepper, there's bell peppers, there's onion, there's garlic, there's thyme, there's sage in it. Yes, garlic powder, scallion, all natural seasoning. Alright, Sir Dennis? So enjoy it, my brother. Take care. See you on the premiere near you.